evening, walking by the river, civilly disobeying silly laws of the land. The stars were bright and shiny, brighter than the morning. The path was clear before me, yeah, the future was planned. Up the coast, the Holy Ghost fluffing a pillow for me, caught by the cameras if he's out past the dawn. His dirty work's done by the sea. Just as fate would have it, I fell into the river, landed in the Arctic with a shift of the floor. See, Mama raised a fighter, but everyone gets weary. A chin above the water, never reaching the shore. Up the coast, the Holy Ghost leaving the light on for me. Temperatures falling and the current was strong, hauling my heart out to sea. With me, his blood pressure rising and his medicine's gone, clenching his jaw at the screen. The sky began to thunder, the wilderness was howling. The last thing I remember, through a crack in the dirt, was something like a cyclone coming down the mountain. It threw me like a rag doll, and I woke on the shore. Up the coast, the Holy Ghost cussing and cursing the skies. Curtain was falling and the dagger was drawn. Sometimes you're caught by surprise, some will confirm or deny. One day you'll open your